Good morning, Biafras all over the world. Good morning, and good morning to my brothers and sisters. Good morning, Biafras all over the world. Good morning, the lovers of freedom. We are here once again to let everybody know that we are here once again to let the world know exactly what we are up to. I'm here to thank our leaders, IPOP leaders all over the world. I'm here to thank you people for working here and there. And I'm here to thank the volunteer group all over the world. I'm here now to tell Nigeria the same warning to Nigeria. Warning to Nigeria. I'm here to warn, a very serious warning to Nigeria. And I'm giving this warning to Nigeria, straight ahead to Nigerians. And I'm here personally for Cross River State. Cross River State. A governor of Cross River State. Since you are decided to destroy the Biafras, to stand with the Fulanis, you decamp, you join the APC government, which you know they are the Fulanis who put us into slavery. The same Fulani enamded Nitonyine the slave. The same this Fulani when make my village no get road till today. The same Fulanis when make my people they die, when make my people no get work. The same these Fulanis when they put us into slave till today. Mama. The same these Fulanis when put us in this slave. The same these Fulanis when make say anywhere you go, you see Calabar doing house girl and house boy. The same these Fulanis. The same these Fulani who take our land, our own land to settle Cameroon, the Bakassi, because they want to win the war. The same these Fulani today, you join them. I want to tell you today, and I want to let the whole world know that my own mission, Ebita Akon Ebita, I'm from Ito, Orukpai local government. Let me tell you who I am today. My own mission will start very soon. If anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Cross River State Governor, you will hear is very hot. Because you are already joining the group. You are killing my people. You slave my people. Nobody can take a direct motor from my village to Cross River State. But we are claiming Cross River State. The land of Biafras, what is okay? What will be the offense of this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Can you tell me? Can somebody tell me the offense? For telling to tell the government to give us what belongs to us. To give us good road, to give us light, to make the children get free education, to make the country work. So that we can get equal right. When I was in Zaria, go there, have you ever go? Have you gone training? You don't go to army training. When I was in Zaria, I know what happened. When you come from East, these you people that see calling yourself that you are one Nigeria because you are not Igbo. The Hausas are not seeing you. The Fulanis are not seeing you like Calabar. They are not seeing you like Delta. They are not seeing you as any tribe. They see you as Igbos. That is what they see you. Whenever they train, they will speak outside to train you. If 20 of us come, no matter exercise that you are going to do, they will drop you. Few of us that even succeeded. Things happen, and wish he never reached to that place. But what I'm telling you today, if something happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Me and personally, I will choose to use my life because of him. I'm saying it on air that I would choose to lose my life also. If something happened that Nigeria federal government should not try nonsense. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was a peaceful guy who don't want trouble. But let me tell you, any leader that would take over, anybody that would, if something happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we the follower of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would not take it like that again. We will change the game. We are going to change the game. We are going to change the game. And I'm telling all over the world today, I'm telling the world today, since the world keep quiet, they should just forget about whether they are giving, they should start, if the world, the Britain has succeeded collaborate with Nigeria to send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria, they should start sending all the Nigerians down, all the Biafras down to Nigeria. Everybody, we are there. Many people, let them come. People are coming home now. Send them back. Deport all the Biafras. If that is your mind, is that what you people are thinking? That we all are not, we are not afraid again. We are already on the ground. We are going to fight Nigeria to the extent. We are going to produce suicide bomber. We are going to destroy. That is what I'm telling you. That we are ready now, 100% ready. If something happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we will produce what the world have never seen. We are everywhere. We are everywhere. And we enter plane everywhere. And we are the most brilliant people in the world. We will tell the world what will happen. Don't be afraid. Don't worry. Since the world keep quiet, since America keep quiet, since Britain keep quiet, since Europe keep quiet, since them keep quiet, I will tell them that we will tell them that we are ready, ma. And we will tell them that we are ready to fight. If anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I come here again today. If anything, if they need to pitch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that from that day, and I'm telling all the Eastern Security, everybody, I'm telling everybody, whether you cover your face before, open your face up. Are you covering your face? Are you not seeing people that never even be in Eastern Security, they die? Then why are you afraid of death? Don't be afraid of death again. From this moment, you should not be afraid of death. Don't be afraid of death. Don't be. Even if it's only one mission you go and die, it would be better. Even if it's only one mission you go and die, it will be better. I am telling you. If it's just one day you fight for Biafra, you fight for the freedom and you die, that is okay. That is enough for you. You are a man. You are a hero. People will remember you. I'm telling Nigeria government today, especially Cross River State, I'm telling you, you a governor of Cross River State. If anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will see that Cross River, forget about your police. We know everywhere. I know everywhere. We are there. We are already on the ground. We will show you what you never experienced in your life. We are going to play what everybody should target in own states. I will see where you will sit down to row. Because we never capture Barak. That is what you people think we are not serious. You will see we will capture the whole Barak in the estate. You will see Biafra have boundary with Amazonia. We will first of all take our boundary. That is what I'm taking my boundary. I'm taking my place. I am taking my place. I am taking my place. I know what I'm talking about. I know exactly. Maybe you want something there. You get no see. I'm like maybe what say you go got. I mean maybe you want exactly something there. I'm a here neku. I'm a kuzie ike. I'm a here neku. Onyo brother should hold his place to ransom. Onyo brother should hold his place to ransom. onye ọbụla should hold the state to ransom. Onwe onye na-apụ, onwe onye na-abanye. Sisọ ife ha ka ha na-achọ. In Nigeria, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, are you mad? Are you mad? You dey hold am because wetin he talk na wrong? How you take offend Nigeria? Can you tell me how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take offend Nigeria? How Nnamdi Kanu take offend Nigeria? You offend Nigeria by telling Nigeria to do good to their citizens, to stop killing our brothers and our sisters. Do you know many of my brothers that is dying, nobody go for them? Do you know many of my brothers who die and nobody go for them? Do you know? Do you know them? Do you know them? Do you know many of my brothers who die and nobody go for them? Do you know many of my brothers who die and nobody go for them? Do you know many of my brothers who die and nobody go for them? Nigerian government, they arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for what? For what reason? For what reason? That means, you see, arresting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is that what will settle Nigeria? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is he the leader of terrorists? Are you telling me, is he the leader of terrorists? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Can you tell me? Is he the leader of Boko Haram? Tell me, can you tell me, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is he the leader of Boko Haram? Please share my program. Share my program. Just you have to share my program, please. Share my program. Because I've seen something. If anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will see that I'm ready. You will see I'm ready. I will lead squad. If I would never lead squad, that would fail me. I know my land. I know where I come from. I know the way my people are suffering. Even today, everybody is afraid of saying the truth. A man who come out to say the truth, you guys organized to kill him. Even the Biafra brothers, because what would happen will start within us first. Because if you know the way the Northerners are supporting, they are supporting the Boko Haram. If you know, you will not sit there and talk nonsense. I swear to my life that we will do everything that will make, even the world will not even, they will not understand. They will better come and kill us, finish. Then we know that we are no more before we can stop to talk about Biafras. We are going to fight. I'm warning federal government, I'm just not a threat. I'm warning federal government of Nigeria. We give them time, we give them date. And if that day pass, nothing happen, don't worry. You will see what you never experienced in your life. We are okay, we are run. We are okay while we are run. We are okay. So Eastern security all over the world. Anywhere you dey, stand still. Being prepared. Being prepared. Understand what you are going to face, because you have to exactly understand wetin you dey go face. You have to understand wetin you dey go face. You have to know exactly wetin you wan go face. You have to know the danger in it. You have to know wetin you dey go, so that when you are go, you will not be afraid. Police kill you today, soldier fire you today, you will not live. Don't die. If you are a Biafra, don't die where you never kill 10 people. It should be 1 to 10. One. Only you kill 10 people before you go. If they kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then you have to, before you die, before any Biafra in this life. I'm telling you this because you don't know what would happen in the next minute. Before any Biafra die, you're proud. Before you die, as you alone, it should be 1 to 10. You have to take 10 people before you go down. That is what I'm telling you. And this time around, it's not just one thing to. So everything have to collaborate together. Don't target only one place. We are targeting everywhere. I am telling you, and I must tell you the truth. Make nothing, make single thing, make single nonsense, make any needle, make mosquito, no bite Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is what we tell you. And we're already giving you date to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If mosquito bite Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will see. A country that you stay forever, you stay there, you cannot get light. You not get single light. No light. The country you are talking about now, no light. The country you are talking about, no light. Is that your country? Is that your country? Is that the country you believe? Is that the country you think you will start your life? A country you are talking about now, no light for you. Biafra all over the world. This is not the times of gisting again. We are not gisting again. We are not gisting again. Biafras all over the world. Bros, my brothers and my sisters, especially my brother, those ones. As I'm talking to you now, Biafras, people are in the cell. People sit in the cell, tied down in the cell. As I'm talking to you now, they will kill some people today in the night. For as I said, that they are all Biafras. Then if we all keep, if you are running for death, one day they will catch you and they will still kill you. As I'm here, one day they will catch me, they will kill me. Then why am I be afraid of this death? I will not be afraid of this death. Except before we can design, before we can stop, let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and let them give us our freedom. There is nothing will make us say, okay, we are one Nigeria. I am not one Nigeria. I never hold Nigeria passport. I never hold Nigeria passport. Since I was born, check my name in Nigeria computer. You cannot find my name because that country is not mine. My father died because of the poverty. My grandfather died the same poverty. My children would not come and see the poverty. You are there. A country that cannot fight the Boko Haram, but they can fight. They don't have the tactics to hold the Boko Haram. You see what I'm saying. I'm telling you all. I want to tell you something. You see the reason why if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk, call people, call the elders, call the chief stupid, and some people will come out and say it's too day rude. That is too day rude. Say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu too day rude. How Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no go day rude? How you no go day rude? Can you tell me why you no go day rude to you? That you cannot come out to fight. The only thing you fight for just your brothers, your house alone, your wife. You marry different wife. Look at what is happening in Owerri now. Each one, even our sister now before this time, now there is no man, but now go only Imo State. In another now, they said request soldiers, send near police, Kabia Buo boys. If you kill boys finish, who is going to marry those ladies? Like mama. So if you kill them, who is going to marry them? You kill them, you destroy the future hope. Those people you kill, many of them have a big shop. Many of them, their family just depend on them, feel on them. You are talking nonsense. You know what's that? You know what I'm telling you? Everything. You are just wake up and you can do whatever you want to do. So what I tell you right now, my brothers and my sisters. Anywhere you dey, you no need to, as a Biafra concern, as a IPOP, as a Biafra, as the eastern part of Nigeria, as a Biafra land doesn't mean this is a Calabar and this is Akwa Ibom State or this is this and that. A Biafra, if you know you are a Biafra, you are under risk. If they don't kill you today, they will kill you tomorrow. So we better stop it, because even after they kill me, they will look for my children. If we cannot stop it today, are you now telling me our children will come and remain in this slave? Because I grow come and see my village. I grow come and see my village. Even to get one secondary school was hard. For 9 community, to even build a secondary school was very difficult. Primary school, nothing was working. My father and my grandfather, they farm. They go to farm to build a school. The government, but we are there to answering a state under Nigeria. But the place that things are not happening, they are enjoying. A place that you cannot plant without manure, you cannot plant without water, they are enjoying. Then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come and say something, and you people wake up one day, organize and arrest him and feel so. I am telling you, Biafra all over the world, this time the game that we out before, we have to step up the game. Not we already step up the game. So whatever you are ready, if you know whatever you know, you have to ready, because our leader is arrested. Now it's under their custody. We don't know what is happening because they don't even show us the video. They don't even show us the video. Some say is this. Even the press, you know, the Nigerian press cannot tell you the real truth. You know. So if you are waiting for channel television to tell you the truth, it's lie. If you are waiting for BBC to tell you the truth, it's lie. If you are telling you CNN to tell you, CNN that never carry anything concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before, that is it not the last month that they just carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu matter, Biafra matter. Now that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is arrested, all of them will say something. This is what I'm telling you, that we Biafra, we don't have anybody, we have God. And since we have God, we need to fight, because even in the Bible people fight. Even in the Bible people fight. All the freedom fighters in Biafra land, wake up. Wake up. Who want to come Nigeria? Come Nigeria. If you know how to fly, come Nigeria. If you know what you can do, if you get contact, if you want to contact, if you need passport, if you don't want to use Nigeria passport and step to Nigeria, you call, they will make it, you will come down to Nigeria. You will come back to Nigeria. If you want to come down to Nigeria, if you don't want to land in Nigeria airport, you call, this is happening, then you will come down. We let us, if you want to die, or let us die, or than we to live. Because let me tell you, live for 70 years, the end is death. You live for 40 years, the end is death. You die before, you die in the age of 2 years is death. So this death, take it away. This is what I'm taking. Take this death away from your way.